Hi there, this is Marisa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I am working with some of the illustrations that I created for the Designer Madness 2023. I drew these illustrations on my iPad in Procreate. I did that earlier, and now today I have brought them here into Photoshop. Each of these images is on a separate layer, and so I'll probably include these images as they are in my kit, but then I will also here, we're going to maybe do a few things to kind of see if we can make them look a little nicer. And so one of the obvious things that you can do with an illustration like this is add a border just around it. You can stroke it just so it looks, you know, kind of like a sticker with an edge. And so that's kind of fun. That's one simple thing to do. And then let's see here. What else should we do? I might see these flowers don't have an edge, so they're kind of different. But these ones with the black edge, I think what we're going to do here is maybe see if we can get that black edge here from my originals. So let's see here. Open these up. These are files that I created again in Procreate, but let's see here. Okay, so I do have a black layer, so I'm going to copy this and put that here. Oh, that's really small. I think this was the problem. Okay, it's still really small. We'll get the, I have also here where I converted it. But we need to get rid of all this color here and get all the black stuff into one. Okay, I'm going to fix these up and I'm going to get rid of all this color and I'll be back after I've got that all in the right spot. Okay, so I'm back here. I've got my outlines here and you can see that I used a different pen, so I think I'm going to see if I can fatten up these butterflies a little bit. So I'm just going to go ahead and stroke them with black so that they match. I see that I didn't use a true black, so we'll give them kind of a looks like we've got some like random stuff in here. Okay, so we got all those things. I'm going to rasterize this and I'm going to make it, give it a black. Just change it all to black. Okay, so now we have all of these, and now I think these going to get, I don't know if these are too close together. So I'm going to see if I can move these butterflies. Just give everything a little bit more space here before I start working with it here. I just want to spread things out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm just going to merge these all into one layer. Just so I don't have to do this a bunch of times. I'm going to duplicate it, and then I'm going to stroke here this one, just so we can get something thicker. And we can change this color here so we can see what we're doing. And I might do it just a little bit fatter here. Okay, that looks good. And I'm going to rasterize that, and then I'm going to just give it this stroke here, just a red stroke, so I can fill in all of these holes here. And then we will choose some styles here. I was using, I used that birch style previously with my word art, so I might go ahead and use that. There's also, I have some fun like plastic styles that might look good. Cork is always fun. I'll have to decide if we're going to do like a bunch of different ones or just kind of keep it simple. It's so easy when you're just adding the styles to just, you know, make a lot of different versions. So once we get our background all filled in here, we'll be ready to go. Okay, so then it's the simple matter of, I do want to see, I did like that. I do always like that birch. It's very nice and simple and neutral. So we'll just put the birch on the background. This is number 83 from a leaf. It's called Etched Wood, and then on the top there, we've got the nice outline there. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as stickers. I didn't spell it right. just save that as number 2. And then maybe we will go ahead and do another one here just with the outlines. And then maybe I'll go back and do something with the original stickers as well. So we've got cardboard. It's not exactly. I've got these nice lines. Okay, I have these ones from Mommy-ish. They're like plastic. Okay, these ones hard plastic and embossed styles. So this one's got this fun lip. And then this one we got to look around here and see what we like. Okay, that's pretty nice. I wonder if I could have put the color there in the background, because you can see we can go ahead and if I lock this layer, I can, go ahead and color this. But I wonder if I can get like the original in there somewhere. Let's see here. See how much work that'll be. Here's where we want to put it, and I'm just going to clip that on there. And we can bring it up here. I guess this has the edge on it. So you can either like recolor it again, which is what I might do. So that's going to be, I think, too much work. Or you can just kind of make these. I like this here. So if it's colored, then I can just come back in and paint them here. Which is what I might do here to finish this up, because I do like at least how some of these look. So I might, pick out a couple that I like with this plastic style and then go for that. And then you can change like the background here. I'm going to put this to contiguous so it only does this one. And so that's fun. So I might do some like that, because I think the problem here with these is because these are all flattened. So I won't get that embossed here around the black. But we do have these nice flowers here. So let's clear these. And let's put these all in a big group here. Another thing I like to do here is let's, okay, I'm going to duplicate this. I'm just going to merge this group here. And then I'm going to go ahead and stroke this like I have previously, so I have a bit of a background. And then we'll just say rasterize that. And then I am going to check here just to see if I have anything hiding out. It doesn't look like I do. Okay, so then a fun thing to do is I like to, let's see here, we can give this kind of a paper look. And then this one here, we're going to do, I'm going to, I have this, so let's see, these are I believe from Mommy-ish, number 333. And then down here, I have this stamp from Just Jamie here. So I can put this on, and I think I might actually do 2 because I don't want it to be too distressed. And I'm going to go ahead and merge these together. And then I'm going to merge this group as well, and I'm going to clip that down there. So now see, I have a kind of a fun, more distressed look here. Oh, wait, I'm going to delete this part of this as well. Okay, and then, yeah, I kind of like how that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and save this as stickers 4. Okay, so these are just kind of, I think, yeah, adding the, being able to stroke it and give it a bit of a background so that you can have that texture back there, I think is a helpful tip. And then I will just be going through and kind of deciding what styles I like and which ones. And another thing here, because if we have, I was working on this, because if I color this in, I could also go ahead and do this as enamel, which we were talking about before. It's because I could very easily put because these are all outlined, so I can put on the outline here for my enamel. And then the inside here, because this has the stroke on it, so it's going to have extra, but I can paint the inside like I'm working on, and then I can make these into enamel, which is maybe, I think, what I am going to work on and do. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope I gave you some ideas on how to use styles, and good luck making your own elements. Thanks for watching.